Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest in gear and gadgets. Today, we're putting the spotlight on a highly anticipated running shoe, the Hoka Cielo X1. Designed to challenge the giants in the long-distance racing shoe arena, let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Hoka Cielo X1 is Hoka's latest offering in their racing shoe lineup, aiming to compete with top models like the Nike Alphafly. It boasts a combination of cutting-edge materials and design features aimed at delivering performance over extended distances. Starting with the design, the Cielo X1 features a sleek, modern aesthetic with a knitted upper that provides a snug fit. The shoe has a 7mm drop and a stack height optimized for heel-first runners, making it ideal for marathon distances. In terms of performance, the Cielo X1 shines brightest on longer runs. Its midsole, featuring PEBA foam and a winged carbon plate, delivers excellent energy return and propulsion. The Meta Rocker technology ensures a smooth transition from heel to toe, mimicking the feel of the Nike Alphafly. Comfort-wise, the Cielo X1 excels with ample room in the toe box and good midfoot support. However, its narrower fit might not suit those with wider feet. The shoe's lightweight materials and padded heel interior contribute to a comfortable running experience, even over extended sessions. Moving on to durability, the Cielo X1 impresses with a robust outsole and durable construction. It offers reliable traction on various surfaces, including dry roads and tracks. After extensive testing, it shows minimal signs of wear, highlighting its longevity. I've personally put the Cielo X1 through its paces, logging over 50 kilometers in various conditions. Whether on a treadmill or pounding the pavement, it consistently provided a lively and comfortable ride. Though I found it less ideal for shorter, faster runs. So, is the Hoka Cielo X1 worth your investment? Absolutely, especially if you're in the market for a high-performance racing shoe that can handle both training and race day with equal finesse. While it may not be the lightest or the easiest to slip into, its performance and durability make it a strong contender against the likes of Nike's top offerings. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Hoka Cielo X1. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest gear. Let me know in the comments what your favorite running shoe is right now. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for more insightful reviews.